Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the easiest way to delete your Cash App account, you're in the right place. So follow up with me till the end and let's jump right into it. First, of course, you open the Cash App application and it should look like this. Once you make sure you are logged in, you tap on the profile picture or icon in the top right corner. In this screen, you need to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then from here, just tap on support, which is basically the last option in this list. In the support screen, go ahead and tap on the search bar right here because we're gonna need to search for close or close your account, something like that. And then you find this option right here, tap on it. And right here, just read through these information that you're gonna need to know basically. Once everything looks right to you, just tap on confirm and your Cash App account will be deleted successfully. This is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.